Hey guys, today we're going to teach you how to draw Susie the cat. Tips and tricks how to draw Susie the cat. Hashtag Susie the cat. Anyways, first you draw the bread part. Make it sure it looks like a bread. Yeah, that. And then you draw the bread part. The top part. Then you that. Wow, this is Susie the Bread Cat. Anyways, now you draw the head. Uh, Slowly, she moves me trembles. You draw, yeah, this. Now draw the leg part, which is so important because you need a hot leg. Anyways, now the important part. Make sure you put an face so Susie the Bread Cat looks not emo. You draw the ice part, ice spice, and then yeah. Now the last part is make sure this part is like that, and then you draw it like that, and you're completely done. Wow, Susie the Bread Cat. Oh, oh, hey, what the fuck are you doing? What the? Hey, what the fuck are you doing in my monitor? Uh, Sander, what the fuck? No, please! I didn't mean to! Get it? Get out! Motherfucker! Get out! No, please! I wanna draw! No,